What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. All right. Chilling on my balcony, taking a breather. Well, let me rephrase that. Uh Taking a breather on the balcony, okay? That's today's Facebook live vlog, eventually on YouTube, okay? Okay. So, what I want to tell y'all, I had a nice time at the Gentilly Fest. I said it on YouTube already, but I'm gonna say it again, even though this gonna be on YouTube. Okay. So so anyway, this video ain't going nowhere. So the video may be deleted after 30 days on Facebook, but I'm not gonna. Well, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna try to keep this video on Facebook. Okay. But if you watch me on Facebook, you watch me on Facebook. If you watch me on Instagram, you watch me on Instagram. Okay. All right. So get a lot of followers and stuff like that. So I ran out of room. To follow more people on Instagram. But I'm gonna tell Instagram people that too. All right. So I mean, have fun seeing some church friends from another church. And especially my friend Destiny, that's a friend from another church. Well, for some of you that don't know, I'm a member of the Asian Baptist Church. Yes, I am. Okay, all right. So anyway, I must say I had fun over there at the Gentilly Fest. I was saying rest in peace to Bob Barker, rest in peace to Alex Trebek, even though Alex Trebek been gone for almost 3 years. You know, so November 8th gonna make 3 years that Alex Trebek passed away. 3 years. Okay, we all miss Alex Trebek. I know you fans of Jeopardy do too. To let y'all know that Alex Trebek, season 38 was supposed to be his last season. You know, that was supposed to be his last season. So so as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, if if Alex Trebek would have still been alive, he would have been impressed with what Matt Amodio, Jonathan Fisher, who else, and Amy Schneider, and Ryan Long and Mattea Roach, you know. Yeah, Alex Trebek would have been totally impressed with all them giant killers that he had. That definitely would have been impressed with with Erica Hazik, and not only that though, he'll also be impressed with Megan Waxpers, Yeah, she one of the luckiest Jeopardy player of all. Uh huh. Defeated Ryan Long's giant killer and wound up advancing to the tournament of champions like like Erica Hazik. You know. Yeah. Yes, indeed, y'all. I am very grateful on that one. Okay. Yep. So Alex Trebek, you are truly missed. Okay. So anyway, I'm out here taking a breather. So my family is going to a Saints game in person. Okay. So they're gonna be in Texas at the football game. Okay. So yeah, yeah. So what I'm gonna do this weekend? Well, what I'm gonna do this weekend, I'm just gonna be hanging here. Hanging right here. That's exactly what Domino gonna do. Okay. Yep. So I must say, y'all. I mean, I didn't know what that was though. So uh, I thought that was my best friend. Okay. On my balcony, taking a breather. Okay. On the balcony, taking a breather. That's what I'm doing. All right, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Okay. So I about to go to Instagram live. Okay. All right. Bye bye, y'all.